Y'all feel us in here? Look here, it's going down. We've been saying things for a long time, but them boys be telling us I know how to work. They know we real. We done showed up. We done screwed up your town and your city, and it's a trip now. Y'all blowing killer, drinking, syrup, being like us. You know what I'm saying? How we slanging, how we do. Funkin' it up. I got 5 on the weed and 50 on the drink. I'm coming down, got my mind on bank. What the fuck they thinking about? PAT think I don't capitalize on the motherfucking industry. Dying by my business, I ain't gonna quit it. What's up with them niggas with the promises they spittin'? Trying to put me down on the label, let the table pay back to the pack. Yeah, I know that's a fable. Things have changed and the terms are loose. I didn't pay my dues. I'm singing the blues, cause niggas don't wanna put me in the stove. And every time I do a show, I scream more and more. On the microphone, I'm getting it on. I'm sitting in my bed and I'm thinking of chrome. Niggas don't like it, thinking about it. Jump up in my chest and I'm putting on my night. Jump outside and I feel so good. I blow my morning square and bless the hood. I thank the Lord that he woke me up out that late night sleep with that big old cook. Or that drink had me gone when I'm gnawing and I'm leaning. Fat to the pat in the picture, yeah, I'm dreaming. All about the capitalize, all about the dollars. Fat to the pat, wanna be a top scholar. Baller. I really can feel him, cause he speaks the truth. I can't lie. I can't lie. Past speaks the fact. Always giving me 50-page contracts, trying to fuck me in the middle. I guess they think Lil Kiki life a joke. I guess they think it's a riddle, but it ain't. They gon' faint. I'm coming with paint. You got me fucked up, you think shit don't stink. I can smell you for your company, you a whip when she float. And your whole damn game was stolen. Taking my style, talking about you from my city. Man, I already know that your attitude is shitty and your flow ain't better than mine. Nigga, I'm on the grind. Me and Pat gon' shine in a little bit of time. Niggas wanna talk down like we ain't true. Man, we started this shit back in 93 with Screw. Rapping on tape, we was the first to freestyle. He was Fat Pat, I was Kiki Golden Child. Hersheywood, Texas, brought it together. And now the whole clique is tougher than leather. Me and Mike B, boys can't see. High in the hell, they gon' fade KT. Man, that boy pimpin', man, that boy rich. I done just broke up on Pip the Pen remix. Went gold, and they damn thing sold. The story's being told, money gonna unfold. I'ma roll over you. If you don't roll with me, you can't get me. Your shoes don't fit me. My feet, I'm sweet. Boys wanna cheat every time they compete. Bring them to the street. Look, man. Let me grab this mic and the only speaking the truth. Popped up beans, probably riding bulletproof. Boys try to chat, but I ain't cutting slack. Bulletproof vest, 9 wood like that. 2 inch flip, never ever will slip. Don't smoke the dip, I ain't gon' trip. Flip by the kill weed, stand on my feet. Done reach my beat, hoes won't speak. But I'm high side nationwide, rolling in the lick. Boys won't click. Now we finna brick, hold up, served in my cup. I'm young in the book, I don't give a fuck, so I'm holding it up. Looking good for my hood, steady shining. Peace in my diamond, hoes steady mining. But I ain't tripping on hoes. Out the door, to get some more paper, hoes. What you said? Only rolling red, 2 to your head.
fucking with my bread, I'm a cash on my mask, don't play. I damn trade and I'm doing it my way. Say what you say what you wanna, but I'm coming through smoking on my marijuana. Steady in my own world, diamonds and pearls. Baby girl fit this world, know I'm reaching on the world, stand on top. Won't stop, won't quit. Hoes dick, but I'm dead it on the disc, cause I'm true to the game. Ain't gon' change, stacking paper, man. Never been lame, in the kitchen on a mission. Pyrex, extras, and you know boys pictures.
M.O.B. Why the motherfuckers think that they can see me? Back to the patent, I got college on my mind. I done educated motherfuckers 1,000 times. Why they say I still lay rhymes, I don't really know. When all behind the cloud, you still in my flow. I got the gangster strut and I'm a rule. And motherfuckers can't see me back in school. I was a young dude, do my own thing. I done jumped up in the game and I let my nose hang. Now you wanna slang my name, throw it in the dirt, but I'ma grab out my knife and get you way at 37 with skirts. I done did it, don't stop in the fat, don't quit it. I ain't bullshitting, motherfuckers can't see me jumping on your block with that boy CV. Versatile flow and I still slam a door. Yo, ho, and you know how I go. Polo on the floor and I stretch this, beat this with diamonds, rocks around my wrist. Motherfuckers can't see me from afar. I'm a motherfucking superstar. Motherfuckers can't handle it, I'm a dismantle it. It's the fat and the 9 don't be jamming. Motherfuckers wanna attract me, but you can't stop the nigga with the paper. I'ma climb my building, count my million. It's the fat and I'm trying to get a trillion in this game, motherfucker.
Yeah, I know y'all feel that, cuz that boy just broke the mic on. You know what I'm saying? LB, shit, they finna feel this too. You know what I'm saying? It's the man Pooh, what I'm gonna do. I'm finna come down with the boy DJ Screw in the SS, ain't no clicks. We done jumped on the plane, done a show with
Boy back, shit, we gon' wreck, ain't nothing stop the party, cause it's too funky. Sippin' lean, smoking cousin, 6 hard niggas, call a half a dozen. Screwed up chick if you holdin' no. Kiggy's on the mic and I'm next to flow, cause they really can't see. Watch me grab a Swiss and roll up with some tree. It's a bomb, make you numb. Do you want some? Pop the trunk bang, all you hear is the drum. Hit the beat, breaking up concrete. I'm on the street, I'm on my feet, and everything is neat. I got the screens they own, talking on the phone. Look, staying strong, hell all ain't alone. I got my girlfriend, my Nina. That's my black lock, and the shit don't stop. To the top, drop, trunk pop. Watch me roll through this H-time. Climb, pops and rhyme, and hell yeah, the south side dime. Take on anybody, we ain't scared of nobody. Watch me get paid in the game and retire like John got it. But I ain't going to jail, I ain't going to Fed. I'ma be like Russell Simmons, get paper and use my head. Start my own build, yeah, that deal jam. Keep me on the screen like an NBA slam. I'm a dunk, I ain't no punk. Watch the bang in the trunk, future of the funk. Your ship is sunk, but even 7 to me and the screwed up click.